Hello, I am Dr. Pieter Troost. I am a specialist ENT surgeon. ENT standing for ear, nose and throat specialist. So I've been trained at Groote Schuur Hospital in the very well-known hospital where the first heart transplant was performed, and have been a specialist ENT surgeon over the last 20 years. I work in South Africa and in Namibia, where I offer my services to patients in the private healthcare sector. Today I would like to speak about chronic sinusitis. This is a very common condition that influences people's quality of life in a negative way, that makes them endure symptoms which one would not like to have, being a blocked nose, congestion of the facial area. Also, postnasal drip is a very common symptom, and that can also lead to snoring and possibly sleep apnea at times. Also, as a side effect, can give ear problems. So this is a very common problem in our society nowadays, being because of allergic rhinitis or allergies being very prevalent. So we focus on this in my practice to assist the patients in helping them with this problem. When a patient comes to see me, we listen to the history of the patient. I then examine them with a fiber optic scope that looks into the nose with a small little telescope to look at the anatomy of the nose, see if there's any abnormalities there as far as a curved nasal septum, blocking the nose, nasal polyps maybe growing, signs of allergic problems. After a clinical examination, I then most of the time will send the patient for a CT scan of the sinuses, which will look at the sinus cavities, and nowadays we don't have to guess about this. We can clearly see the sinuses and give an opinion about the state of the sinuses. We also obviously look at a couple of other things as far as the septum alignment is concerned and so forth. We also send the patients to usually go for an allergy profile to check on the allergy component, if there is any allergies involved. And then the patient comes for a follow-up visit. We look at the results and we discuss the results with the patient. And depending on what the results shows me or us, we then create a management plan for the patient to help them with their problems. Sometimes it involves surgery, endoscopic surgery, which is nowadays very atraumatic and done as a day case most of the time. At times we also add allergy treatment if that is indicated, and by doing so we try to improve the patient's quality of life for him and his family, and by doing so create a happy patient and a happy doctor.